Hello. Right, this is the properties screen for the HIO 01. These are the settings which you can do for the HIO. This first box, share input, switch input LED for output pin. This is for ELV switches with a built-in LED. You don't need a separate output for the LED. It's shared with the input button. So you can have a we can have an ELV switch with or without an LED. The next one is occupancy indication by doorbell time. We have a feature whereby the cleaning staff presses and holds the doorbell switch for some time, and the makeup room or do not disturb indication on the outside of the room will light up for a short time to tell the cleaning staff whether the room is occupied or not based on the occupancy algorithm. So this is the doorbell occupancy hold time. So for this, you need to press for 4 seconds, press and hold for 4 seconds before the makeup room or do not disturb LED turns on. This is occupancy of dimmer 1 and dimmer 2 levels. So when occupancy is off, the two 0 to 10 volt dimmers will dim to this level. There's also the optional temperature sensor. That's a blinds operation mode. This is a sync and source LED to configure the ELV LED direction. This is the key card off timer. So if a key card is used, this is the delay before the the room goes to unoccupied, switches down the air conditioner and the power point and everything and the lights. The primary relay is used normally for the air conditioner. We can set the occupancy timer as a delay before it switches off the air conditioner, right? So you can set it from in seconds to minutes. The secondary relay occupancy is normally for the power point. So there's a separate timer for switching off the power points in the room separately from the primary relay occupancy. The lighting occupancy timer is the time based on occupancy before the lights in the room are turned off. So this is separate from the primary for the air conditioner, secondary for the relay for the power points. The courtesy timer is the time delay for the courtesy lights to remain on before they turn off. If the key card is not inserted or the occupancy is not detected. So this window timer is the timer for the balcony window. Is when it's after the balcony window is open. This will allow the air conditioner to turn off to conserve energy. And when the balcony window is closed, the air conditioner will turn on back to the previous setting. And these are similar settings for the lighting. The lighting sequence timer is for the occupancy detected as off. The lights will not switch off all at once. It will switch off one by one, and this is a time delay between each light. So if you have the 5 lights in a room, it will go off one, then delay, then 2, then delay, then 3. So it gives you a orderly sequence of switching off the lights, and it also warns if any user is inside that you need to move in order to detect occupancy.